We're still below the resistance around the 44.35. What's going on, guys? Right now is calm before the storm because we're not down by much, even not down 1%, and price getting near the 44. There's some hypothesis right now. We waiting for some news in order to break this level of resistance. We might have this news tomorrow, today, because today we have some news, but they're not that strong to give us a jump for SMCI over this resistance. So we need a critical major news to break this level, because guys, the technical is okay to see the resistance support, but the news is kind of the ignition, the gasoline that you put on fire that make the fire goes stronger. The same here. We are between this resistance support, between the new support around the 41.41 and the resistance 44.35. So the main question right now, you post your question right now in your head. Read in your head right now where the price will go. Are we gonna have a green month this month in June or not? Are we going to have the $50, the most anticipated target for SMCI for this month, or we going to have a consolidation period of few weeks before we see that movement? So let's dive deeper, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button on the way in. We always go live every day 30 minutes before the market open. Tomorrow, of course, we're gonna go live before the market open by 30 minutes. Before that, we go live on our Discord and Patreon. As you can see here, we every time we do mini update, and Aman killing it with Charisma Therapeutic. Today we did trade with this one, Plug Power, of course we did trade with this one. So great hunt for Aman, one of our elite member, and thank you for the support, guys. Aman, and being a member for for more than a few months right now. Thank you for the support, brother. In the meantime, let us go back and discuss SMCI, where the price will go for this month. Again, just a small disclaimer, guys. Remember, all the information that we share here is just for education purposes, and always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. We're not financial advisor, so always do your due diligence before you make any financial advice or financial decision. So let's get right to it, guys, and discuss SMCI. First of all, we got the 44.35. As we discussed before, this level that's been tested so many times last month, twice, and twice in this month. And the price right now is currently have a new support over the 41.41. Before we said the 39, now we have the 41.41 level that we should hold for today, tomorrow, and before the end of this week on Friday, because we only have 3 days left right now for this week. So for now, what we should expect for SMCI, guys, if you just trading SMCI right now, you tell me SMCI is not good or bearish if you just traded it the end of last month. But if you trade SMCI in beginning of May, it's a different story, because we already jumped 50%. Now we are on the pullback zone. So it's all about perspective. It's always about the timing. Some people say like we are like down, but if you consider the perspective, some people are much down below you. Depends on if they're living in caves or living beneath you, like in other planets or another continent. So it's always about the perspective and the place that you talk about. So for here, the timing that you bought SMCI, if you bought it early last month, you are in good place. If you bought it today, yes, it's kind of in tough situation, because we've been consolidating for a while here around this level. So now we need to hold the 41.41, break the 44.35 in order to go toward this level, guys, around the 47. So we expect 10% jump. After that, 18% around the 51, and the ultimate target, for my opinion, around the 55, as we discussed before. So now there is nothing to do unless or just to wait for the breakout from the 44.35. So just put alert, guys, around the 44.35. If we broke, we're gonna have a nice reversal and the bullish momentum will start. And of course for the 39, because if we pull back below the 39, we're gonna have a huge dive toward the 34 and 33. Thank you for watching, guys, and of course see you back by tomorrow to discuss SMCI in depth on our live streaming 30 minutes before the market open. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and put the notification on to be notified for tomorrow hunt on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.